32. Talking about cultural differences. Have you traveled to different countries?
Yes, I've been fortunate to visit a few countries.
Did you notice any interesting cultural differences?
Absolutely. In Japan, for example, bowing is a common greeting.
That's fascinating. In some cultures, hugging is more common.
It's intriguing how customs can vary so much.
I once traveled to India and was amazed by the vibrant festivals.
Festivals are a great way to experience a culture's traditions.
Indeed, it's important to respect and appreciate cultural diversity.
Learning about different cultures enriches our perspectives.
33. Planning a celebration.
My birthday is coming up. Any ideas for a celebration?
How about a small gathering at your place?
That sounds nice. What kind of food should we have?
We could do a potluck with everyone, bringing their favorite dish.
Good idea. And some music to set the mood.
Definitely. I can create a playlist with your favorite songs.
Thanks, Emma. It's been a while since I had a party.
I'm glad I could help. Let's make it a memorable birthday.
34. Discussing environmental awareness.
Are you conscious about environmental issues?
Yes, I try to reduce my carbon footprint and recycle.
That's important. Small actions can make a big difference.
Absolutely, using reusable bags and reducing plastic helps too.
Have you considered using public transportation or biking?
I use public transport often, and I've been thinking about biking more.
Biking is eco-friendly and good for your health.
It's a win-win. We all need to do our part to protect the planet.
I couldn't agree more. Every effort counts.
35. Talking about future aspirations. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to have advanced in my career and traveled more.
Traveling is a great way to gain new experience.
I also want to continue learning and maybe take up a new hobby.
Learning new things keeps life exciting. Any specific hobbies?
I've always wanted to learn how to play a musical instrument.
That's a wonderful goal. It's never too late to start.
Thanks, Emily. What about you? What are your aspirations?
I'm considering further education and exploring entrepreneurship.
Those sound like exciting paths. I wish you the best, Emily.
36. Talking about work-life balance.
How do you manage your work-life balance?
It can be challenging, but I try to set boundaries.
Boundaries are important. Do you have any strategies?
I make sure to disconnect from work during my off hours.
That's a good practice. I sometimes find it hard to unwind.
Finding activities you enjoy outside of work can help.
I've been trying to spend more time with my family.
Family time is precious. It's important to recharge.
Agreed, a healthy balance makes us more productive too.
Absolutely, we should prioritize our well-being.
37. Discussing educational goals. Are you currently studying anything?
I'm taking online courses to improve my coding skills.
Coding is a valuable skill in today's job market.
It's a field I've always been interested in. How about you?
I'm considering pursuing a master's degree in psychology.
That sounds like a rewarding path. What area of psychology?
I'm interested in child development and counseling.
That's important work. Helping others is truly admirable.
Thank you, David. Learning a lifelong journey. 38. Talking about pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's Labrador.
Dogs are wonderful companions. How long have you had him?
I adopted Max from a shelter about 2 years ago.
That's great. Shelters provide homes for animals in need.
Exactly. Max has brought so much joy to my life.
I've been thinking about adopting a pet too.
It's a big responsibility, but it's also very rewarding.
I'll definitely consider it. Thanks for sharing, Emma.
39. Discussing future travel plans.
Any exciting travel plan on the horizon?
I'm planning a backpacking trip across Europe next year.
That sounds like an incredible adventure. Which countries?
I want to explore France, Italy, and Spain, among others.
Those countries have rich histories and diverse culture.
I can't wait to immerse myself in new experiences.
Have you started planning the itinerary?
I've been researching and making a list of must-see places.
I'm sure it'll be an unforgettable journey, Ava.
40. Taking about food preferences. Are there any foods you can't stand?
I'm not a fan of spicy foods. I can't handle the heat.
Spiciness isn't for everyone. I enjoy a little kick.
What about you? Any foods you dislike?
I'm not a fan of olives. The taste is too strong for me.
That's interesting. I love olives, especially in salads.
It's funny how taste can vary so much among people.
Indeed, it's what makes sharing meals so fascinating.
41. Discussing environmental conservation.
The environment has been a hot topic lately, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's important for us to take care of our planet.
Have you made any changes in your lifestyle to be more eco-friendly?
I've started using reusable water bottles and shopping bags.
Those are simple yet effective steps. I've been reducing my plastic use.
That's great. Small changes can lead to a big impact.
I've also been learning about composting to reduce food waste.
Composting is an excellent way to contribute to sustainability.
We all need to do our part to preserve the environment for future generations.
I couldn't agree more. Our actions matter.
42. Discussing recent achievements. Have you accomplished anything noteworthy recently?
I completely a challenging project at work.
That's impressive. What was the project about?
It involved redesigning our company's website for better user experience.
Designing a website requires a combination of skills. Well done.
Thanks, Sophie. What about you? Any recent achievements?
I recently ran a half marathon for the first time.
That's a significant accomplishment. How was the experience?
It was tough, but incredibly rewarding. I'm proud of myself.
You should be. Achieving personal goals is a great feeling.
43. Talking about fashion.
How important is fashion for you?
I enjoy dressing well and expressing my personal style.
It's a creative way to showcase your personality.
Exactly. Fashion allows us to make a statement without words.
Do you have any favorite clothing brands?
I'm drawn to sustainable and ethical fashion brands.
That's a responsible approach. I prefer comfortable attire.
Comfort is key, but it's possible to find stylish and comfy clothes.
I'll keep that in mind next time I go shopping. Thanks, Emma.
44. Discussing personal growth.
How do you feel you've grown as a person over the years?
I've become more confident and better at handling challenges.
Confidence is a valuable trait. How did you work on it?
I pushed myself out of my comfort zone and embraced new experiences.
That's inspiring. I've been working on improving my communication skills.
Effective communication is essential in various aspects of life.
True, I've also learned to manage stress and prioritize self-care.
Taking care of your well-being is crucial for overall growth.
It's a continuous journey, and I'm committed to it.